So, hello guys. This is my short blog. We can call it so. Uh, I want to show you my story, which isn't a good story, but it happens to anyone. One day, I was working in my garage and my car was parked out in my yard, and someone hit it. So you can see in this image the result, uh, the damage which someone gave to me. I was very sad because uh, I don't use my car a lot. Uh, my philosophy of the cars and regarding my philosophy to the cars in overall is different. I am not the type of person who use the car every day. No, I love my car. I care about it and I save it because I know that it is not something usual. And in these days, these cars uh, in good completions are very, very rare, and I want to save it as I can. So it was very, very strange for me, and this was very bad news because I don't use it a lot, but I used it and it was damaged. But when I used it, it was damaged. So in this situation, there are many solutions. Uh, I could repaint it, go to the paint shop, blah blah blah. I hate this case, this type of job. I don't like to connect with the people who say that they are masters in the field of the painting, in the field of uh, suspension, gearbox, and other. If I am not able to do something by myself, I go to the dealer and do the job there. Even the standards of the dealership in my country is far far from what it should be. But this talk is not exactly for about it. So paint shop was cancelled immediately. I had two options to start repairing it as best as I could, or go and buy new piece. This piece of the rear bumper. This is a rear driver side left. This piece is removable and it can be changed very easily. The main job here is to get the correct part with the correct paint. So I decided to try to repair it myself, and if the result was not enough good for me, then I decide to buy the new part. And now I will show you the story what happened. Here is the repaired look, but solution is also on my table. Here you can see how I repaired this part. I used some original Mercedes touch-up paint and lac, but the result is not very good here because it is visible, the damage is visible, and the main reason it is visible is that the plastic is damaged. It is not the scratch which can be wiped out. No, the plastic is itself damaged. So my friends, some of you may say that, oh come on, it looks good, nothing wrong with it, but I am not type of the guy who accepts this. Here you can see that the paint is faded here, and that's why, guys, there are the main damages. Here you can see. That's why I decided to dig in eBay and find the new molding or part, you can call it as you want, and replace this. And finally, I was lucky to obtain this part. These are very rare, guys, especially if you want to pick the factory painted one. This is 197 black metallic. This is my car's paint, but thanks God, I found it in Germany, and here you can see this is old or new old stock part which I bought from the guy in Germany, and it came to me yesterday. This is original, untouched, brand new part with chrome element, with original black metallic paint. It needs only to be installed on my car. Now let's see from the other side. So my friends, this is a different view of this molding or bumper element. This is original part. This is also painted and is ready to be installed on my car. Now I'm planning to install it, and I will do a separate video about the process. At the moment I'm very happy. Yes, it costed expensive. I gave 80 euros for it, but I think it is worth for me. For you, you decide. So my friends, here is the part number of this detail. Here you can see it is made in Germany. This is painted in obsidian schwarz or black metallic 197, the paint code, and also other details. As I mentioned, I will install it very soon and share with you the installation video, also show you how it will look, but I am sure even now that it will look very good. So guys, this was a little informational video about my future plans. If you like this, please subscribe, thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.